Hi guys, this is JB from Mega World at the Port. So for today's video, I'm about to show you what a 24 million gets you a condo unit here in Uptown BGC. So guys, welcome sa ating 59 square meter, 1 bedroom unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. So as you can see, napakaganda ng unit layout and napakaliwanag since meron tayong natural light from outside. So before you enter guys, you would be having this digital lock set from Philips. So it can be accessed through 4 different ways. Una dyan is key card, pangalawa is passcode or PIN codes, then next is fingerprints, and lastly, traditional keys. So all of our units here in Uptown Arts Residence are all semi-furnished. So you will be having this digital video intercom that will connect us directly to the lobby. So kung may mga guests kayo or mga visitors na naghahanap sa inyo, pwede nyo silang i-verify sa baba. Then all of our switches here can be connected through phones or video commands. So this one is your semi-furnished kitchen. So as you can see, apparently what you see is what you get. So meron ka ng box type sink with retractable faucet from brand Frankie, which is top of the line European brand. So meron ka na rin dito mga overhead cabinets and mga drawers na perfect sa mga maraming kagamitan sa kitchen. Then you would be also having this 2-zone induction cooktop with range hood, all from Goren Hay, and meron ka na rin din built-in retro fridge galing din kay Goren Hay. So here in your kitchen area, meron kang spaces dito for your washer and dryer. So moving forward, meron kang space dito. So most of our clients ginagamit siya as another storage for your shoes or even mga collections. So this one is your spacious living and dining area. So this part, sa kinatatayan guys yung living natin, meron na siyang split type inverter included. So as you can see guys, hindi siya square type na typical square type unit ng condo. So medyo triangular siya. So you would be having a almost 180 degree which has the view of Uptown BGC. Then meron tayo ditong Park Suites with Soshi Mall and Ortigas Skyline. Okay, moving forward to this part is your dining area. So it can cater up to 2 to 4 dining tables and sitters. So kinagandaan din dito, meron siyang balcony access. So moving forward to this part naman, is your mini hallway. So it will lead us to your common toilet and bath and the bedroom. So dito muna tayo. So this one is your spacious bedroom with which can cater up to queen to king size bed. So meron ka na rin full floor to ceiling glass window which gives you a natural light. So as you can see, napakaliwanag ng kwarto. Then you will be having also this one built-in modular cabinet with split type inverter included upon turnover. Then punta naman tayo sa ating balcony access. So going here is your common toilet and bath. So this one is a complete sanitary fittings na. So currently what you see is what you get. Una dyan is yung sink natin with full glass mirror with faucet na rin siya included. Toilet bowl with bidet, included na rin yan with partial glass enclosure and complete shower set with rain shower. So lahat na makikita nyo rito, apparently what you see is what you get. So that's it guys for a quick tour in our 1 bedroom unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. So by the way, this unit offers a rent-to-own promo term, so which means you only need a 10% down payment to process the move-in, or if you prefer to pay this unit in cash, you would be getting a total of 15% cash discount. So if you're interested in this unit, just send me a message on my contacts below and let's schedule your unit viewing today. This is JB, Mega World agent from Mega World at the Port, and I'll see you on my next video.